What's going on, guys? This is Easy Tech 231 here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your Android phone look like Windows Phone 8. So this is my Galaxy S4. This is just what it is right now, just regular TouchWiz and stuff. But as I said 122,000 times before, I'm going to show you guys how to make it look like Windows Phone 8. So our first app is Launcher 8. Now there's a free version and there is a pro version. The pro version is $2.58. Go ahead and check out. This is Launcher 8 right here. This is what you get when you first download the application. It's no, this is not the setup I normally use. Towards the end of the video, I will show you guys how I set up my Launcher 8 and how it all looks. It looks a lot better than this. This is quite ugly. Let's go ahead and start out with our first app after Launcher 8. So the next app you want to download after getting Launcher 8 is Icon 7. Now you don't have to get this. What this is, it's an app with a whole bunch. I think it's like 640 something icons for Launcher 7. And they're pretty much just pictures. Here's the app right here, Icon 7. And when you get it, you're going to be asked if you want to extract the icons, delete the icons, or uninstall the app. I've already extracted them, but it puts all of the icons into your gallery so you can see it from there. So this one costs 99 cents. It gives you 600, like I said, I think it's 642 icons in alphabetical order. So it's really cool. They're really nice, and it makes this Launcher 8 look a whole lot better. So let's go ahead and check out the music player. We will be using Uber Music, which is unfortunately $3.50. I would actually use this as my primary music player just because it's so quick. It's nice and clean. I really like it. You can get themes for it, widget themes, and all sorts of things like that. But I am actually using PowerAmp instead of this. But if I didn't have PowerAmp, I'd probably use this one. It's really nice, really easy to use. So you have your genres here: folders, artists, albums, songs, playlists, and genres here. But definitely check out Uber Music. That's $3.50. Now for our keyboard, we're going to be using AI Type Keyboard Free. Going by the name, this app is free. This is the app itself. You can go into the settings. At first, when you first download it, it'll ask you to enable it, and then from there you can go into your settings. And right away, you're just going to want to go into your appearance settings, go to keyboard theme, and you're going to be over here. Just keep scrolling until you find the Windows Phone 7 theme. This is the keyboard itself. As you can see, it's very nice, very clean. It looks a lot like the Windows Phone 7 theme, or 8, and you can probably hear that little click sound. And you can see the letters pop up, and it's got this number bar here, which is very useful, so you don't always have to go down here to type some numbers. And you also have this thing here to make the keyboard larger. You can make it smaller. I generally keep it around here. I'm used to Google Keyboard, so it's really not that different from Google Keyboard in terms of spacing and stuff like that. But I actually find myself typing on this keyboard a lot faster than on Google Keyboard. So yeah, definitely check it out. AI Type Keyboard Free. Next we have Windows Phone 7 Contact Lite, and there's a full version for $3, but I don't think I want a contacts application for $3. So this is what the app looks like, if I can find it. Here it goes. It also comes with the dialer. This is the dialer, so you can go ahead and type in whatever you want. And you can call it, or you can save it as a contact. Let's go ahead and hit back, and then it comes with the contact application. And all the ones in blue are the ones that you have for the actual contacts that you have starting with that letter. So you can go ahead and just check out all your contacts and stuff, which is pretty cool. I need to import some of my contacts. I'm missing some. So you have your dialer, your call history, all your contacts, groups, and the dialer again. So this is really nice. I really like this application. Really nice and clean, minimalistic, and yeah, this is also helping to make your phone look like Windows Phone. Probably one of my most favorite applications out of this list is Messaging 7. Now, I actually use this as my primary messaging application. The only thing I don't really like about it is the icon. That's pretty much it. But other than that, the application is free. It's awesome. I really love this application. This is it here. You have your conversations here. Don't have too many because I reset my phone a couple days ago. So along with the keyboard, this really just looks like Windows Phone. So go ahead and type in whatever you want. Type in your message. Let's see here. I can probably send a text to myself. So as you can see, I sent a message to myself, and I typed in my phone number, and it actually put it as me, which is actually kind of cool because a lot of applications don't really do that. And if you do find yourself texting yourself, that's kind of sad. But if you're into that kind of thing, then it'll actually put me instead of the actual phone number, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at the settings here. We have some notification settings here. You can set these to whatever you want. Enable notifications. Like I said before, I use this as my primary messaging application. Appearance settings here. You can change the outgoing message bubble color. As you saw before, I had the light blue, and then the incoming was the darker blue. And you can also change some font settings. So this app is really nice. I like the fact that it's free. There are no ads or no restrictions. So definitely check this out before they make a pro version and then making you have to pay for it. So yeah, that's messaging 7. It looks really nice and clean. So yeah, I texted myself earlier. Pretty cool. So yeah, definitely check this out. This is messaging 7, free on the market. Definitely check that out. Next is our lock screen. Now before we go to that, this lock screen does not automatically disable your stock lock screen, so let's go ahead and turn that off manually. Let's go ahead and put none. There we go. And this one is also free, and it's actually which is weird. It's Pro. You'd think with something with a name Pro, it costs like $1 or something. But here we can enable the lock screen. You've got some settings here. You can show the notification, which is kind of annoying. So I just take that off. You've got a whole bunch of settings here, background color, all that kind of stuff, and find out what their whole company is about. Let's go ahead and lock the screen real quick. Wait like 5 seconds and turn it back on. So this is the lock screen here, and you'll have your unread messages here, missed calls, and mail there. So it's a really nice looking lock screen. It actually comes with its own status bar, which is pretty interesting. It's pretty cool, and you just slide up. Launcher 8 actually comes with its own lock screen, but it's kind of laggy and kind of slow, and it's not nearly as good as this one. So I really like this lock screen. Very nice and clean, and if you have like a nature wallpaper, it makes it look super awesome. It's really nice and quick, simple, and there are no like special ads. Like it doesn't give you like a search icon on your home screen or anything like that, if you guys know what I mean. So definitely check that out. I say that about every single app. Oh well, this is this is WP7 or Windows Phone 7 Lock Pro. All right, next we have something that you may or may not really care about. It's just a calculator. It's called 7 Plus Windows Phone 7 Calculator. I'm just gonna call it Windows Phone 7 Calculator. This is it right here, and yeah, it's just a calculator. Oh. Okay, said okay, there we go. And yeah, there you go. Not much else to say about that. It's just really a calculator. It's actually it's a calculator that looks a lot better than TouchWiz, the Samsung TouchWiz calculator. A lot cleaner. It looks a lot like the stock Android calculator. I think I bumped the tripod a little bit. There we go. So yeah, this is free. If you guys really want a new calculator, you want something that looks different, check this one out. All right, last but certainly not least is Metro Notifications. Now this is, again, there's a free or full version. Here's the full version down here. It costs about $2.68. Boo, yeah, I know. So let's go ahead and uncheck, you can check whichever ones you want to get notifications for. Personally, like I said before, I like Messaging 7 as my primary messaging application. So I'm going to check that one instead. Oh yeah, I have to set the accessibility service first. Go down here, Metro Notifications on, so it can manage your notifications, which is cool. It says down here, accessibility service has been enabled. So just go ahead and set whichever ones you want to get notifications for, and then you just hit back, go back, oops, I went into messaging. Go into, here we go, go to settings, and then go to notifications. And then you can choose whatever you want. You can choose the color accent. My favorite color is blue, so let's do cyan. You can do a custom color if you want. You can choose to have their contact pictures showing up. If you get a text from someone, you can have it positioned to be in the middle here. You can have it on the top, on the bottom, below the status bar. It's really cool. Notification actions, make sure it's on. Let's see what else we have here. You can also test the banner. So that's what it'll look like when you get a notification. It's really cool, and then you can just tap on it to open up the application, or you can just swipe it away. That's really nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. Alright, so I got most of my theming done. As you can see, I still have the same lock screen here. And this is my setup right now. I have a light blue theme going on right now, kind of like a Twitter thing. I have the Windows Phone 8 status bar theme going on there. You can, I'll show you guys how to get that in a sec. But starting out, we have this widget tile here. This is, excuse me, this is Clock JB Plus. You can find that on the market. This is the widget that comes with it. It's pretty much a stock Android clock. Let's see, we have the dialer here. Brings you to the dialer that I showed you guys earlier. We have messaging to go to messaging 7, the browser. This is what they call a live contact tile. That'll bring me to my contacts. Let's see what else we have here. We have the calculator. You can see it's got that little flying animation. Yep, got my calculator going on there. And we have a live gallery application here. It'll bring me straight to the gallery, and it displays, you know, some pictures that you can choose yourself. It'll change any second now. It just does the same one over and over because I chose like 6 pictures. But you can choose as many as you want. It'll just keep displaying them, which is pretty cool. We have our calendar icon there. You know, bring it to the calendar, Twitter, another clock. That's the only clock I have. And then Facebook, and yeah, and then this is the app drawer. I guess you could say they call it the app list. And I have it set to a grid-like, you know, look. You can change the tile theme color. As you saw, I had the light blue, and you can choose from a whole bunch of colors. You're probably thinking, wait, that's not a lot of colors. What about this? Yeah, you got a whole boatload of colors that you can choose from, and then you can also make your own colors, which is pretty cool, or set your own color. You know, long press to modify. You can let's see, choose the background color. You can change it to white or have an actual system wallpaper. I believe live wallpapers are included as well. Like, you can actually use those, I think. As you can see, I have the status bar style. I actually probably can't see that right now. There it goes. I have the Windows Phone status bar style. You can edit the tiles also. So let's see, let's go here. Go to the clock, long press, and you can edit any tile just by tapping on it. You can resize it, you can edit it, and you can unpin it from the thing, and you can just move them around there. It's pretty cool. Hit the back. So that about wraps it up for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it helped you out. You know, making your phone look like a Windows Phone. So if you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and a favorite, and subscribe for more videos like this. I plan on putting out a whole bunch of videos like this. You know, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at EASport23, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.